Hi, welcome back to another video. I am actually playing Crossout right now on another computer, so it's kind of weird. Can I get this to go away? There. Okay. So here's my flying machine design. So it's kind of works. I don't know. So yeah, it does fly. It's just kind of hard to control because there's no wheels, as you might have seen. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like this. The way you build it is you actually start off with these pieces and then attach the frame. Wait, what? Why is it in my mouse letting me? Okay. So you start off with this part, and then you attach the frame to that. So then that actually lets the boosters be below the frame, because otherwise it wouldn't work like that. And then yeah, you attach the frame to it, then you attach the radar and all that stuff. And yeah, it looks like this. I added these for actually extra weight in the back. They actually do have a point, so they kind of like stabilize it better. So yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. I don't know why it's not working right now for some reason. It used to work. I think I messed up somehow. So let's get rid of these parts to see if maybe I screwed up somehow. But yeah, it used to fly pretty well. I mean, this is a traditional actual airplane design. It's not a rocket because it actually flies like an airplane. So let's just get rid of these parts quickly. Yeah, that's better. Oh, frick. This is not good. Okay, let's reset. Can I? I can't. Oh, at least it's flying away. Okay, so let's restart that. Dang it, why? Okay. Okay, let's try that one more time. Yeah, the bad part is you can't steer it. I did make a design with wheels. I'll show you that. Kind of hard because it's laggy when I'm recording, but you have to basically hit shift like for 2 seconds and then not hit it for like half a second. So it's like you're just spamming shift instead of holding it down. I can't do that because it's laggy really bad. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like with the wheels in the back. You can't have them in the front because the frame won't allow that to happen, because the frame won't go and attach to those bottom thrusters. So yeah, just use a 2x4. And yeah, you just want to attach it to right below those two oil jars. So I would do that. Let me. There we go. Yeah, sorry, my mouse sensitivity is screwed up pretty bad right now. Yeah, this is a painful thing I do. Okay, so now it's loaded. Let's go give this a go. So I'm going to use medium wheels first of all, because they're much better at just being heavy. So first of all, attaching them to the back does work, but it makes the airplane harder to fly. I'll show you what that looks like. So we just drive out with this. And since it's using up all 8 energy spots, you're unable to add anything else. Sorry about that. You can't add a gun or anything. So now this way it does fly, but it glides instead. And you also have to be careful with the landing. You are able to make just fly over people. That's the cool part about this setup. But it's not actually like flying, it's just going over the ground and not being able to sustain itself in the air. Oh shoot. Yeah, this is how it looks like upside down. It just doesn't work upside down, so that's why you need to make it like this. So now if we add the wheel like closer to the main frame, it's going to be different. So yeah, I did actually come up with this by myself. As far as I know, there aren't any tutorials that make an airplane that looks like this. So yeah, this drive. So it still drives, but just differently, kind of. Okay, that's that example. Yeet. Okay. So now, we fly. Yeah, the wheels are just kind of heavy. So we could try the wheels, although I doubt that they would work better. So yeah, that really wraps up the video, though. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you can recreate this. Oh, frick. That's not good. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, how do I... Xbox. Open. And, so, okay, see you guys later. Bye.